Hey, what's up guys? How's it going over there? Beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls. Hope you are doing well and happy today. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss show and thank you for being here with me today. I'm Cass and I have a little bit of a video to share and show with you, so stay tuned. So first of all, come over to the channel. Thank you to all of my beautiful subscribers for subscribing to the channel. I truly appreciate every single one of you. The videos have been doing very, very well again, and things have been really awesome. So thank you very much to all of you. I truly appreciate every single last one of you. So guys, I'm going to flip through a few things here in this video today. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end. And if you guys want to trade with me, then make sure you hit my Bybit and my Bitflex links down below in the comments, pinned for you guys. All right, let's get straight to it, guys. So first of all, you can see here, I'm going to share the charts with you, so hopefully you guys can hear me nicely. But basically, Bitcoin has been sitting and just dropping. Hey guys, well, first of all, I just actually smashed my smoothie from Kauai, so thank you to Kauai for that. Actually, I did a double smoothie. I love smoothies, guys. So as you guys can see here, Bitcoin has, we pumped up hard 2 days ago. We hit this resistance level, and then now what it is that we're doing is we had this major pullback over here. Now we hit that resistance hard, we hit the pullback, and look at this upward sloping line that we have found support on that candle. And by the way, this candle didn't engulf this candle. This candle literally engulfed all of this. In fact, all of this, guys. So, if you think Bitcoin is going to be going down, I really still don't know what you guys are thinking. But, if we do break this line here, then I must say that we will be in a little bit of danger. And the likelihood is we probably end up kind of bouncing down here and then down here to this level and then making our way back up, guys. I really don't believe that Bitcoin is going to go down further than this level. And why? Well, first of all, we have a lot of support on this beautiful white box over here already, which we've already tested with this wick, and we had this crazy buy up in the wick, in that candle that pulled us back up over the line, plus we had a bounce up over here on the line too. So I hope you guys can hear me. I know it's very noisy, but I'm going to do my best here to give you guys a video. So now, not only that, yes, we have a bit of bearish divergence, lower highs on the RSI and higher highs on the actual candles. Yes, there is a bit of that bearish divergence, and the MACD is basically trying to tell us the same thing. But if so you can see, and it is opening up, but if I can try and convince you that if you take a look at this time frame, I'm just trying to squeeze this out for you guys a little bit, that this is actually the pattern that we've broken out of. So this was a large channel that we had forced ourselves out of. So we basically, as you guys can see, we bounced from here, bounced up here, made our way to the top of the channel, pulled back, hit the bottom, bounced right up to the top, broke out, and we actually finding support on this long-term channel right over here, as you guys can see. So I hope you can actually get an idea that Bitcoin is just trying to fool everybody at the moment. Okay, Bitcoin may sit here for a little bit, very likely, okay, before it makes its next move up here to the target of 48k. Like I keep telling you guys, I've shared this with you for so long, so I hope you guys can see that. So for me, that's looking really good. Now, some of the economic news that came in, why did we see some of this stuff? Well, first of all, we actually saw some of this stuff here on the news, where we saw, building permits went somewhat decreased, okay, better than expected. They were saying increased, 1.45 million was what they were expecting, and it came in at like 370,000 more. Then housing starts increased as well. Now both of those are high rated news, which makes it affect the market. Now what you guys need to understand, what you guys need to understand about the market is that the market is not going to be there for all the time for you to just ride the wave to the top. That doesn't happen. The market goes in cycles. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. And pullbacks are generally healthy, but guys, I think pulling back at the moment on Bitcoin is going to be less likely than sitting sideways, because I think we'll be sitting sideways more than we'll be actually sitting facing the actual bullish momentum or the bearish momentum. I think right now we're going to sit sideways for a couple days. We do have the Federal Reserve interest rate decisions again coming up in December in the next 2 weeks, so we're probably going to see some stuff happen there. But I wanted to go and show you, the ETH chart is kind of doing the same, although the ETH chart has broken down a little bit. So let's go and check this out, guys. So as you guys can see there, the ETH chart unfortunately did. So I don't know if my trade is going to do too well, but I'll just continue to dollar cost average into the position. But you see how heavy it was rejected at that point, which has been a long-term support level from here already, which means that we could end up actually basically pulling back down to this level, if that is the case, because we were rejected off that level, and possibly even this level. So that would take us up to about 1753, maybe 1635. So that's $100 difference there. So that would still mean that we could essentially see about a 16% pullback on Ethereum still. Now, I don't know if that's entirely going to happen. I wouldn't like to see that happen, of course, but if we do that, guys, I'm going to continue to enter into more long positions as we creep our way down here. And then what we'll see here is, you can see this is also bearish divergence that has already played out on the RSI, except the MACD is telling us that we are going a little bit further down. So maybe what we do is we wick down here on the next day or two's candle over this weekend. I personally see us having a very strong buy weekend ahead of us, so that will be very interesting. Now, there's something wonderful that I want to go and show you in the total 3 chart first of all. Okay, so this is the total 3 chart, and as you can see here in the total 3 chart, that we have a channel here, and as you can see on the channel, we broke up into this. So on our breakout here, we broke up, created a channel pattern here, went to the median of the channel, broke to the top, pulled back to the bottom of the channel, creating a higher low, and then we went to the top. So we've also been creating higher highs consecutively, higher lows consecutively, and higher highs consecutively. So we have created a higher high here, and yes, there was a little bit of bullish action, bearish action here, and that's why we got this rejection point over here. So as you guys can see though, we are now officially back at the bottom of the trend. We were rejected at the medium band of the trend here, which so happens to coincide with this here, as well as the median band of that level. So now, if we were to pull back here, you can see there's strong support over there, and there's a bit of a gap over here on the VRVP. So what you guys can see is that if we were to break this, the likelihood is we probably hit here, retest, drop down, and kind of smack our way down to this level over here, and then bounce from this back up. That's what I would expect to possibly happen then on the total 3, if we were to have a pullback on the total 3. Okay, but here's the crazy thing now, and this is where I really want you guys to focus and to share your thoughts down in the comments below. Now, if you guys want to trade this with me, then make sure to hit my Bybit link down below so that you guys can go ahead. My Bitflix link down below so that you guys can come and trade some incredible cryptos with me. So let's check this beautiful total crypto market cap, right? Same concept. Would you agree? Let me know down in the comments below, guys. But we broke out, boom. We went sideways, we crept up, and then we made a little bit of a springboard action here. Then we bounced down, so we rolled up to the top, we rolled over to the bottom, we bounced back up to the top, and we had a hard rejection back up to the bottom. The same thing, we're in an upward sloping channel, guys. This is still very, very, very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. So don't be fooled by the small little pullbacks that we may see like this in the market. Even if it's on the 4 hour, 8 hours, right now it doesn't matter. When this happens, you want to be grabbing crypto with both your hands, guys. That's how important this is right now. Okay, so last thing about this chart. So we're at the bottom creating higher highs, higher lows. That's bullish. Would you agree with me? The RSI is reset. Yes, the MACD is pulling down, but actually we're just kind of getting up above this level here nicely now. So it's like a stone skipping across the water. We're about to really kind of, you see, this is the stone skipping across the water. Look at this, boom. We're going. Eventually it must drop, okay? So I don't believe we're at that drop yet. And why is that? We had this heavy resistance here. We're under that resistance at the moment level, but we're creating this higher highs and higher lows. So for me, we're actually about to break up here, then pull back and find support on this very strong level, which happens to be the same as the bottom of the channel and coinciding with my horizontal purple box of support and the VRVP and kind of working towards the RSI's momentum. So guys, we're gonna find some support here. We're gonna eventually continue to break up, and eventually the likelihood of us actually breaking up above the channel here and pushing beyond up to this level up here, where we get this wonderful $1.65 trillion market cap coming in soon. Today we are only sitting at a very, very mild 1.45 trillion. So that would allow for another 250 billion in the market before we actually saw some sort of significant pullback from those levels. So as you guys can see, 1.42 trillion. So at least another 200 billion into the market cap before. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Thank you for being here with me on this video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I'll try to do more of these ones as well for you guys. I'm just out and traveling at the moment again, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below. Thank you all for being here with me, and smash the thumbs up. We'll see you later.